Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we have these interesting functional equations. F of 3 plus x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. And what is f of x? I will solve this in two different methods. The question says f of 3 plus x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. So let's solve this using two methods. So given these expressions, here we have the domain of these functions to be 3 plus x. And we don't know the range, and we are not after knowing the range. So we just know that the domain is 3 plus x. I want to reduce this to only x. It's very simple. Let's consider from this side. Here we have it as a quadratic. So let's try and factorize this. Here we have f of 3 plus x equals, we have this as x squared plus, the middle term here is known as the sum and here is known as the product. We look for two numbers that when we add it, it gives us 3, and when we multiply it, it gives us 2. And the two numbers are just 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2, it gives us 3. Then if we multiply 1 by 2, so it also gives us 2. After knowing this, we have this equals x squared plus, open this bracket, 1 times x, that is x, plus 2 times x, we have it as 2x plus, and here is 1 multiplied by 2. So next step, we have to group this. X squared, we group it to x, plus also we have 2x, we group it with 1 multiplied by 2. After successive grouping, we are going to factor out x. When we factor out x squared divided by this x, we have it as x plus x divided by x, that is 1. Then plus, what is common here is 2. If I factor out 2, we have this 2x divided by 2, that is x, plus 2x, 1 times 2 divided by 2, that is 1. And again, we are going to see that x plus 1 is here and x plus 1 is also here. Therefore, this becomes x plus 1, then multiplied by x plus 2. This is what we have. This is a complete factorization of the quadratic that we're given, and the domain still remains 3 plus x. Then we're now going to look at this domain. We have this as 3 plus x, but this is x plus 1, this is x plus 2. If I write this as 3 plus x, and I have this also as 1 plus x, then also 2 plus x. So these are still the same since additions are commutative. If I remanipulate this to be equals 3x, here we are going to have 3 plus x in bracket, or initially it was 1. Therefore, I need to subtract 2 here. So if I say minus 2 plus 3, that gives us plus 1. And also this as well. If I say 3 plus x, I put this in bracket. Then at this side, it was 2 before, which means I have to subtract minus 1 here. So that is minus 1 plus 3 plus x. Now I can now replace every single 3 plus x. If I replace it with x, therefore we have f of x equals minus 2 plus x. And also this is minus 1 plus x. So this is what we have here. And let's try and expand this out. By expand this, we have minus 2 into bracket of minus 1 plus x, and also we have plus x into bracket of minus 1 plus x. So minus 2 times minus 1, that gives us 2. Then minus 2 times x, we have it as minus 2x. Plus x times minus 1, that is minus x. And plus x times plus x, we have it as plus x squared. So here we have 2 minus 2x minus 3x minus 2x minus x, that is minus 3x, then plus x squared. So this is the result of f of x. And again, we can still solve this using another method. We have considered this as method 2. If the function is given as f of 3 plus x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. So by this, we see it's a quadratic, and let's come back here. Here we have 3 plus x, and here is x squared plus 3x plus 2. So instead of doing all those manipulation by form manipulate it, here we have 3 plus x. I want to change this 3 plus x to become only x. So what I will just do is every single 3 plus x here, so I'm going to be replacing it here. So if I change this one to, what can make this one becomes x is when we have minus 3 plus 3 plus x. That is, I'm changing every single x to minus 3 plus x. That is only what can make this one become 0 of x. So therefore we have our f of minus 3 plus 3 plus x equals, so anywhere I see x here, I'm replacing it with minus 3 plus x squared plus 3 into bracket of minus 3 plus x, and here is plus 2. So for this, it cancels out as we have plus 3 cancel minus 3, and here is f of x equals minus 3 plus x squared. So this gives us 9 minus 6x plus x squared, and also here is minus 9 plus 3x then plus 2. So upon having this, we are going to see that plus 9 minus 9 cancelled, and here we have this as 2, then minus 6x plus 3x, that gives us minus 3x, then plus x squared. So this is the same solution as we got above, and this is the easiest method. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.